How do I remove mold from my heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system? You can remove mold by shutting off the system, cleaning the coils, drain pan, and ductwork with a mixture of water and a mold-specific cleaner, replacing the air filter, and having a professional inspect the ductwork if the mold has spread deep inside. Mold loves your heating and cooling system because it is dark, damp, and full of dust, which is basically a 5-star hotel for mold spores. The main areas where mold hides are the evaporator coil, the drain pan, and the inside of the ductwork, since moisture collects there every time the system runs. Something a lot of people do not know is that a musty smell coming from your vents is almost always a sign of mold growing somewhere inside the system, even if you cannot see it. To clean it, turn off the system completely, remove the access panel, and spray the coils and drain pan with a cleaner made specifically for mold. Then let it sit for about 10 minutes before wiping it down. Never use bleach on your coils, because bleach can corrode the metal and shorten the life of your unit. After cleaning, always replace your air filter, since a dirty filter is one of the biggest reasons mold keeps coming back. If the mold is spread into the ductwork itself, that usually means calling in a professional who can safely clean or even replace sections of the duct. One big mistake people make is thinking a little bit of visible mold is not a big deal, when in reality even a small patch can spread through your entire duct system within just a few weeks, so it is best to handle it the moment you spot it. Another common misconception is that running your system on high will just blow the mold away, but that actually spreads mold spores throughout your whole house, so always turn the unit off first before cleaning anything. A lot of homeowners also forget that keeping humidity levels below 50% inside the home is one of the easiest ways to stop mold from ever coming back, so using a dehumidifier or checking your thermostat's humidity setting can save you a ton of trouble later. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app JawBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.